It's not the fairy tale ending that everybody maybe wanted for Roger Federer after a fairy tale career. It has come to an end tonight. And you just get the feeling as he says to Jack Sock, it's all good. Well, it was all very, very good. The tears are starting.
Thank you, guys. Unbelievable. Unbelievable. Thanks so much. Appreciate everything that you got for me.
The most beautiful player of all time will be missed, maybe more than any other player all time. Thoughts, Joe?
Oh, that set me off, I have to say. Just to see him like that. So many years. I mean, we've been so privileged, haven't we, over these years to watch Roger Federer?
Absolutely. And this all before his family comes on. Nadal's in bits. He did rule the world for some time. He raised the bar for all that followed. Djokovic and Nadal will be very grateful for that.